Hello and welcome to Football Invaders. Please subscribe via YouTube, like, follow via Facebook, Football Invaders. Namhlanje 13 September, Orlando Pirates is playing against Stellenbosch. Second time in a row last year, 2024 M10 final. It was Orlando Pirates against Stellenbosch. Now namhlanje Orlando Pirates is playing this in a row. Fourth time in a row, and they won 3 times. Namhlanje they are looking to win it. August Sine. I-finals zabo, but now they are playing against Stellenbosch esifuna ukuwina naso for the first time after beyidlala okwesibili against the same team. Let's look at their road to the final, especially by Stellenbosch and also Orlando Pirates. Let's start with Orlando Pirates. They played against Polokwane City. First game they won 2-0. They placed against Mamelodi Sundowns. It was a 1-1 draw. At the second semi-final now, it was a 1-1 draw. They went and win by penalties for 1. Now, Stellenbosch unasifika njani hapa? Stellenbosch idlale against AmaZulu sawina ngo 3-2. Sadlala kunye neTsekhukhune first semi-final sawina ngo 2-0. Second semi-final sawina phana 1-0. Badlula ke baya ku final ngo 3-1 aggregate. Now, if we look at Orlando Pirates MTN 8 nje finals akhona, they played 8 semi-finals and they won 6, so iLondo bano 75% phana kwi-win zabo. Now if you look at the MTN 8 finals, wakhumbula ngibona kwezi coaches ezimbini Owado Orlando Pirates kunye no Steve Barker we-Stellenbosch. Izaba iCarpenter, they've never won le cup. Even though Barker wayidlala last year wayiluza, now udlala okwesibili, but for Owado naye udlala ifinal yakhe yokuqala neqela lakhe elitsha kule season Orlando Pirates. Now enye into interesting about this fixture, if you look at Dion Hoto, he's the only player scored 4 against Stellenbosch. No other Orlando Pirates player has scored more than Dion Hoto, so I think it might be important to play game there. And the M10 8 lena, if we look at the coaches that have won it, Stala phaya ku 2020 ewine nguJoseph Zimhawa, if yamkhumbulo ecoacha phaya Orlando Pirates. 2021 ewina uManqoba Mngqithi kunye noRoland Mokoena phaya kuMamelodi Sundowns. 2022 yabuya ewina nguJose Riveiro neOrlando Pirates. 2023 it was Jose Riveiro neOrlando Pirates. 2024 again uJose Riveiro neOrlando Pirates, lapho bayiwina khona 3 times in a row. Now namhlanje Owado kunye no Steve Barker bazobe dibene ngapha eMbombela Stadium, 6 o'clock igame yaqala, MTN 8 finally. Now Orlando Pirates fans are saying badlala against Stellenbosch and South Africa yonke, because there is fans of Stellenbosch and there is friends of Stellenbosch. So are you a Buccaneer or a friend of Stellenbosch? Please leave your predictions, score predictions, and then finally MTN 8 wafa wafa.